Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can upload a backup to cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this documentation simply because I do not have cPanel at the moment, but it should give you quite enough information to discern what you need to do. Now, as you'll see here, the way you generate a full backup is you go through a couple of steps, and one of those steps is finding or selecting where you want to keep the backup. Now, you can keep it up in the home directory, which is on the server cPanel is installed on, or you can do a remote server through the latter three options, which are remote FTP server, one with passive mode transfer, and the secure copy protocol. Then you can also set up other things such as the notification settings, integration links, and yeah, if you select the remote servers, you're going to need to enter the destination. Once you generate that backup, that file is going to be over there. Now, you cannot automatically restore a backup, a full backup file in cPanel. It's available in the web host manager, so you can use that. However, if you want partially to restore it, you can manually restore the public HTML folder. Just find the tar.gz file, which is the, directory, or the, what's it called? The, not a library, but an archive, yeah. The tar.gz file is the archive where the backup is located, so just extract it, and then you'll be able to locate the public HTML folder in the home directory, and then you just need to upload the files from the public HTML folder to your server onto your public HTML folder on cPanel's file manager. So that is what you can do. You can also partially restore a backup. You just need to select the appropriate restoration type in the select restore type section. Then you can restore the home directory or whichever directory you choose. Then you choose the file, and then you just need to select the backup file from your computer where you have the file. Then click update, and then that will restore a portion of your account. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.